There's a road grader that's getting stuck over here trying to get out of the ditch. No, we're okay. We're fine. We're just looking at a huge fire right in front of us.
Hey.
Huh?
We gotta tell that guy.
Okay, put it back on the phone, okay? He's trying to get out. Maybe he needs to back up. Oh man, record. Are you recording? Oh man, this road grader.
He needs to get out.
I know he needs to get out.
He can't get out. Come on, guy.
He needs to get out of it.
Come on, guy, get out. Come on, get out. Come on.
Unlock door. Get in. Hurry up, hurry up.
Come on. Back up. Oh, gosh. Oh my gosh.
Thank you, guys.